Hey everyone! If you're building with React in 2025, let's be honest, none of us have time to reinvent the wheel. You want beautiful, responsive UIs, but you need to ship fast. So today, I'm sharing my top 5 React UI libraries that are game changers for developers who want to move quickly, without sacrificing quality. Let's dive in. Number 1. MUI. Formerly known as Material UI, MUI is still the rockstar of React UI libraries. Why? It gives you a massive set of pre-built components, all customizable and accessible. Theming is a breeze, and their docs are super helpful. If you want Google's material design out of the box, MUI is your friend. At number 2, Chakra UI. Chakra's philosophy is all about simplicity and flexibility. I love how easy it is to build accessible apps with Chakra, and the styling props are just so intuitive. Want dark mode? You get it in minutes. Chakra UI is perfect if you want to focus on building, not wrestling with CSS. Coming in at 3, Ant Design. Antd is huge in the enterprise space, and for good reason. The components are polished and ready for production. Think dashboards, admin panels, data-heavy apps. Ant Design has you covered. Plus, with 2025 updates, performance is smoother than ever. Next up, number 4, Radix UI. Okay, this one's for developers who want ultimate control. Radix gives you unstyled, accessible primitives. That means you get the logic and accessibility handled, but you bring your own styles. If you want a custom look without starting from scratch, Radix UI is a dream. And finally, at number 5, Mantine. Mantine is my go-to for rapid prototyping. It's got a modern look, tons of hooks, and even a built-in notification system. You can scaffold a slick, interactive UI in half the time. In 2025, Mantine's ecosystem is growing fast, so you'll find support for everything from form validation to models. So, which one should you pick? Here's my quick advice. If you want something out of the box and pretty, go with MUI or Ant Design. For ultimate flexibility and custom designs, check out Radix. Chakra and Mantine are perfect if you value developer experience and want to build fast. Remember, the best UI library is the one that fits your project and your workflow. Try them out, see what clicks for you, and don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more React tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite UI library in 2025? See you next time.